Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Still explain how to use the Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial we will explain how to add a nickname on your account on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then click on settings. Tap on personal information. Click on name. After that, click on added nickname. In this table, added nickname which you want to add. Let's write LinkedZone. After that, press on save. Let's go back and see if nickname already added or not. Go back. Click on profile picture here. You will find that nickname already added there. That's it. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to add nickname to your account on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.